What's up guys? In this video, I'll show you how to private your TikTok likes. So this means if you don't want anyone to see the TikToks that you've liked, uh, I'll show you how to do that. So follow my steps. The first thing you have to do is open up TikTok. So once TikTok is loaded up, go to the bottom right hand corner and touch on your profile, and then go to the three-line menu, the three lines on the top right hand corner. Select that, and once you do that, select settings and privacy. So once you're here, select privacy just below manage your accounts. So select privacy. So now you should scroll down and you can see there is liked videos. So make sure it's set on only me. If it's set on only me, that means only you can see which TikToks that you have liked. So if it is set on everyone, it means anyone can see what TikToks that you have liked. So to make it private, make sure you select only me. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.